We're cooking up Trader Joe's teriyaki barbecue chicken. First, you gotta add a little bit of olive oil. I always put a little on the pan, and then I cover a little bit on the chicken too to get it all crispy. And then you make a big cup of warm water and put the sauces in them so they get soft. And once it's all crispy and stuff, we'll add the sauce to the chicken. And we're gonna throw in a bag of brown rice, organic brown rice to eat with this. And it's gonna be some fire. Now we added the sauce to it. Stir it up. Nice and good. We're gonna take the heat, turn it off. And it's done. Now we just gotta wait for the I like making those big pieces and the smaller ones. I don't like the big ass pieces of chicken. Okay, so now just let this sit, sizzle, and we got 2 minutes until this is ready. We got the food together. Turned out to be a beautiful little lunch. It looks like the cat wants to have a bite as well. You want a bite, Sabu? We'll give him a little piece of chicken. Let's enjoy some of this chicken. Yes, sir. We're gonna run out of glass bottles, so we're sipping on a little plastic. Man, this is as good as the orange chicken, for real. But like I said, with these dishes, it's not good to eat all the time. Every couple months, like 3 or 4 months, I'll want these, but it's not like an every week thing or anything like that. It's such an easy dish to make if you want some food at the house. Get it in the freezer, and then when you're ready to eat it, it just takes a few minutes to cook. You do have to clean a pan, so do with that what you will. But yeah, yo, it's a nice little lunch. It's a beautiful day in St. Louis. The snow is starting to melt. It's like 45 degrees or so. I'm about to go for a little adventure today. Tired of watching the phone, TV. Just gonna go vibe. Probably see some friends later. I think this is the best time I've ever cooked this dish. It's today, because I thought about all the things that were messed up about the dish, and I just cooked it a little longer because this tends to get cold really fast. So or it's really just a hard dish to cook, like the right amount, because it's easy to undercook it because it's like already cooked, but you got to make sure you heat it up all the way. So, you know what I'm saying? think I'm gonna take a couple of vitamins. We're doing the Nature Low vitamins today. Take a couple of them. Ooh, they smell really gross, but I kind of think that gross vitamins are probably the only way that are good quality. I don't know. I think it's a little bit better than these ones though. These are chewable. They taste pretty crazy awful. I mean, they're good. Like, the more I eat of them, the more I like it, but it's just something about it. It's just off. But it makes you feel good, so. Ooh, I think I gotta drink a little more water with those vitamins. It says you gotta take them with, I think it suggests to take them with a meal. Best results. 2 with breakfast and 2 with dinner. Capsules may be opened and powder added to your food or drink. They probably taste so gross. Imagine if I just poured a capsule on the chicken. Yeah. No GMOs, no soy, no gluten, vegan friendly. Okay. Whole food complete multivitamin. Plus 6 healthy blends for men. Formulated to support energy, immune, and heart health. Okay. They cooking over here. I don't think I'm gonna finish this dish. It's a little early in the day. I'll have a couple more bites though. I know everyone says same shit, different day, but I challenge you guys to, you know, do something a little extra today. Whether it's create some music, make a little piece of art, you know, something different. Go for a little cruise, extra cruise that you wouldn't normally do. Just make something extra in your life happen. You're not gonna get the same, you're gonna keep getting the same results if you do the same thing. So maybe try a little different thing. And that's something for me and for some for you. So let's go. Let's power up, level up, all those fucking weird words. Yeah, you guys, thanks for watching this long. If you watched this long, appreciate you. Hit that sub, hit that like. Make some Trader Joe's food. And let me know what your favorite dish is from Trader Joe's. Peace, y'all. I'll catch you later.